Welcome to our Turkish lentil soup video. I was first introduced to this dish while in Turkey, and since I've enjoyed it so much, I figured it will be a great addition to our soup lineup. I'm AJ from Savory Thoughts, and let me share with you how simple it is to make. First, we'll start by melting our butter. Then let's saute our potatoes and carrots. We are simply sauteing it to infuse the buttery taste into our vegetables. After that, let's add our onions. Then comes the lentils. The full recipe for the exact measurement is on our website at savorythoughts.com. Let's add our water to get the cooking process started. Add your salt and pepper to taste. Stir to combine all the ingredients and cover and let the vegetables cook. Once they are fully cooked, your potatoes are nice and soft. You're gonna remove it, place it in a blender and blend it. The blended mixture should be nice and creamy without any lumps. Now for the brown butter sauce, you're gonna melt your butter, add your mint leaves and some red pepper flakes, stir it. Do not let it stick to the bottom of the pan. Continue to stir until you get that beautiful brown mixture. And voila, a beautiful savory dish with the brown mixture spread on top with olive oil, just to give it this wonderful flavor with a slight kick. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and leave us a comment and let me know what else you'd like to see from us.